Welcome back to my channel. This is CoinCode. I'm DMO. On this video, I'm going to show you the top and most relevant platform that offers unlimited arbitrage opportunities to make risk-free money. You need to know that arbitrage have come to stay, and there are multiple platforms that offer this kind of opportunity where you can make risk-free and easy money. Now, before moving further, please use 2 seconds of your time to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative and educative content on crypto arbitrage and trading. And don't forget to turn on notifications so that you don't miss out anytime I drop an update. So now let's move. If you are a newbie, crypto arbitrage is a way of buying crypto from one exchange at a lower price and send to other exchange to sell at a higher price. Crypto arbitrage is also a medium at which you deposit your crypto wallet at a local bank rate and settle an individual in form of peer-to-peer. From the explanation I give, the first one contains risk, while the second one have no risk at all. And this is the method I'll be showing you understand? Now moving to the first platform on our list, which is Skrill. Skrill is a digital wallet provider formerly called Money Booker. Skrill was established around 2001 with the main aim of sending and receive money online. Skrill has great features and easy to use interface. I was working on a mind-blowing video, but unfortunately my account got restricted after I deposited $2 to know the rate. For the restriction to be removed, I need to verify my address, and the verification process is not an easy task, although I'm already working on it. And the main reason of this video is for me to show you all the best arbitrage platform. Then register with the link on the video description below and start all your verification process. And I will be dropping videos soon on each of the platform. So if you want to join me make this kind of easy and free money, consider yourself subscribing and turning on the bell icon so that you always get notified when I drop a video. And the link to register for Skrill is on the video description below, so make sure to use it, as this will take us to the next arbitrage platform, which is Paybiz. Paybiz is a payment channel by which you can deposit your Binance account or your other exchanges with your local bank card. Paybiz have dominated over 180 countries in the world, and you can buy crypto directly with your bank card. One great feature Paybiz has is their instant verification, you understand, and their 24/7 support system, you understand. The reviews on Trustpilot and on App Store are really encouraging, you understand. So make sure to get your account prepared by registering with the link on the video description below, as I will show you how to take advantage of Paybiz and make over 25,000 naira in a single trade. And this will take us to the third best arbitrage platform with high profit return, which is Advanced Cash. Now, on one of my previous videos, I talked about Advanced Cash, everything you need to know about Advanced Cash. Although it's an old video and I was still practicing all my edits at that time, so just understand what I said on the video. Don't focus on how I deliver the video to you, you understand? You can also see the comments I got on the video, which means the video is a nice one, you understand? And on the video, I talked about how I got my account verified with my NIN slip, you understand? So make sure you register with the link on the video description below and watch that video at the top right corner if you're having issue getting your account verified on Advanced Cash. Please feel free to use the comment section for compliments and for your questions. You can as well join the Telegram community where you can get and share updates with other people, and you will get updates early even before being uploaded on YouTube. Now moving to the next arbitrage opportunity platform, which is CEX.io. CEX.io is a platform that requires verification on almost everything you do. Although there are crazy opportunities this platform gives you to make easy and free money. I'm almost done with one video from this platform, so register with the link below to get started, then verify your account while waiting for the video. CEX.io has a complicated interface, but you don't need to panic. Just zoom in with your finger and navigate through your profile, then verify and wait for updates. Before moving to the next arbitrage platform, shout out to Mary Edward, Emmys TV, Ade Michael, Pooja and Keita Online Tech. Thank you very much for your support, I really appreciate it. Please note that I do a random shout out for all my subscribers, so make sure you are subscribed to get mentioned on my next video. So now let's move. Now the fifth best arbitrage platform is Perfect Money. I know you are surprised as I mentioned Perfect Money. That is why I said never miss an update. One thing you need to know is that Perfect Money is the leading financial service provider, allowing users to make instant payments and money transfer around the world. Perfect Money has 7 unique ways at which you can deposit your account, and the link to get started is on the video description below, so make sure you register and start your verification process, you understand? The sixth arbitrage opportunity is a well and easy to use platform which is called TransferWise. The reason TransferWise is sixth on the list is because there is not enough profit compared to the rest arbitrage platform, I have mentioned and the one I also mention, you understand? Although I've been able to make over 100,000 naira on Wise alone, and I've made a video to show you how. So make sure you check it out because it's going to help you a lot. On this note, I'll be moving to the 7th arbitrage opportunity, which is Neteller. Neteller is a money transfer platform just like Scray that is powered by PaySafe, which still require a lot of verification and has an easy to use interface. Neteller offers several opportunities to make money, not just by sending and receiving money, but also arbitrage opportunity, which I will be showing you on this channel. So make sure you don't miss out when I drop an update both on my Telegram community and on my YouTube channel. Neteller has one unique thing just as TransferWise and Script payments. Their payments are instant, so make sure you sign up with the link on the video description below. Please note that there are many other platforms, but I've done much more research on this one I just gave to you. And I will make sure I show you how to make money from all these platforms I just share with you. So make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so that you always get notified first. You understand? Now, the main reason I made this video is for you to get prepared on arbitrage opportunity, especially those that are afraid to trade Binance futures. And I want to let you know that very soon I'll be doing a challenge like 1 million naira challenge just for trading arbitrage alone. So make sure you share this video to at least 2 people and join the Telegram community, as this will be it for this video.